MeghalayaPost.news.
Presiden barang ba ka VPP bad ubadai ru MLA kanong Kram constituency ba Ardent milan basamoy mentakas ngula Kynnoh ba Sorkar jelaru kadon kiti ka Jingtih Dewiong Beaiñ bad ngilam la ban kemit lentina ka Jingtih okit ka commission namar labon ki commission batung ka Sorkar bad klam sei so pan ya kani lapan pau ba Ardent milan basamoy habakran mentakas ngi sekila patai kubor hakas ngi babot jong kador bar mang tingka ulai nuksaru ba ka Ngim Shaniah ya ki commission ni ki committee batung ka Sorkar da ka bakran ru ka Jing Shasiat ya general secretary berem ka HNLC ba cheris field thank you balatung da ke Enquiry Commission bantokit bar hadu menta omsyam la seiso habakran ru halor ka Jingdon ka Jingtih Dewiong Beaiñ uba Ardent long baki Jing Shisha ki pau ha Jingja barang shan hamen sengan halor ka Jing betai ka par Dewiong bat kani hi ka pau shai bawat ka Sorkar ru kadon ketilang bal ki trai par Dewiong banti Beaiñ yau Dewiong kapor kan poi baki Jingeda ka Sorkar halor ki Jingtih Dewiong Beaiñ kin Kynnoh namar baro ki pai ba ka jela bat kari kila deptip halor ka Jingdon ka Jingtih Dewiong Beaiñ hai ka jela ong ba Ardent mila basaimon bat da ka bakadau shai ru halor ka Jingja hamen sengan bakaladon ka Jing betai jong ka par Dewiong bat balawan ra ya ka Jingja basngusi.
You see, as I have mentioned or spoken inside the house, that you'll find not only once, but many a time, the executive will try, often uses the sub judice provision in the rule as an excuse, to avoid debates, to avoid embarrassment, to avoid accountability, and also to delay political debates. So you see, even the courts, the courts have repeatedly held that legislative discussion is not barred unless you interfere with the adjudication of the court. So there are issues, that we can discuss, and there are issues which we are not supposed to discuss. So, but the government has always hid itself under this provision. It's quite unfortunate because the issue that we raise is, of huge public importance. The loss of lives, and it is counting. It is not that all the bodies have been retrieved. We want to know exactly how many minors are there, because those recovered bodies that the government have shown officially were not limited to the numbers that the government have given, right? We are trying to get the information from the local people, and we are trying to inquire, like normally how many miners are used to be to work in one coal mines. So we were told that normally 60 to 70%, that is minimum. So if two coal mines were blasted, were collapsed, so do you think as responsible leader or a public representative will be satisfied with the figures given by the government? We want to know whether the government has got these statistics or not from those people whom they have arrested, whether they have inquired how many miners are there on that that day where the unfortunate incident took place. Let me be honest with you. As it is, the people, they have seen the how the government is conducting, how the house is conducting. So the people also, they understand that the opposition parties will not be given enough opportunity to raise issues concerning the people. We will try. We have tried. We have done according to as per the rules and procedure of conduct of business. We don't want to go much beyond, because the people have already made up their minds. They have seen what this government has been doing. They have seen how we were prevented every time to speak in the house. So there is time for everything. As I've said, there is time for everything. There is time where the government can brush all the problems under the rug, right? But when nature decides to unveil the truth, no one will be able to brush that issue under the carpet. The time where the government will deny is over. Now everybody, all the nation, came to know that illegal extraction of coal were taking place in Meghalaya. This is not the first incident, unfortunate incident, where precious lives have been claimed by some mishaps in the coal belt area. We should not forget, once the coal mines was flooded with water. That also was the case, and to our surprise, when the government, when some of the ministers expressed that they were shocking that there is an illegal extraction of coal the in the state. They were shocking to learn that those trucks are carrying coal. You see, how long can you do that? The government may deny, but the people knows it. The hills know it. The river knows, because they were affected by these illegal extraction of coal during these past 12 years. Can you imagine that after 12 years of the ban imposed by NGT, the government, till after that unfortunate incident, decided, to give a statement in the house that we will not tolerate, we will not go soft with those who are engaged in illegal extraction of coal. When they are themselves involved in the nexus, do you think that all these illegal transaction or extraction or illegal coal business will be able to take place without the knowledge of those who are in the government? If the government feel that yes, we have nothing to do with this illegal coal business, then why don't they straight away take action against the head of all these districts where the coal has to pass? The DC, the SP of all these 4-5 districts. Transfer is too lenient an action after so many lives have been claimed. Going by the records of the outcomes, from these commission being constituted by the government from time to time. Latest, the commission constituted to find out the reason that led to the killing of the former General Secretary of the HNLC. Where is the outcome? Where have we, reached? So, going by the records, going by the history, we feel that we cannot expect much from this commission. Keep on denying for so long. This is not the first incident, but every time we raise the issue, the government is denying. Every time when we give a statement, the government was denying. This is the time where the government can no longer deny. The government did not deny only the statement given by the retired Kataki. The government has been denying our statements also from time to time. In fact, we have personally gone into those areas. One of our MLAs, Bright Star Will Marvinian from Maulai, in fact contacted the SP to go with him to the site where illegal extraction of mine is taking place. Not only illegal extraction, forcefully taking possession of the land which doesn't belong to them, belongs to this Lombala village. So what else do you expect from this government? I think it is very unfortunate that the rescue operation has been called off so fast. Unless the government knows exactly how many miners are there inside the coal mines, the government should not resort to the cancellation or call off of that rescue operation. But I don't know whether the government, maybe according to that information, that there were no miners inside. But according to the local, information that we receive from the local, they are 100% sure that numbers, the figures which was given by the government is too small.
MeghalayaPost.news